Fine, let's make a peppery, garlicky Karasev today. I have used a combination of Kadala Maavu, that is Besan, and store-bought Idiyappam flour to make my Karasev. I begin by adding sifted Kadala Maavu. Sifting your Kadala Maavu ensures that it is lump-free, and this in turn gives you super smooth and crunchy textured murukku. Along with the kadala maavu, I am also adding store-bought idiyappam flour, some salt to taste. In this case, I am using 1.25 teaspoons of salt approximately. In went some sesame seeds, crushed black pepper, ground turmeric, softened butter, along with a generous pinch of asafoetida. And then I'm going to go in and mix all of this into a crumbly mixture to ensure that the butter has evenly incorporated into the flour. Now I'm adding about 1.25 cups of water to mix this into a smooth, crack-free and soft dough. Again, the water quantity that you use may depend on the quality of the idiyappam flour and the besan flour that you use. Once the dough has been formed, we are going to grease our murukku press. I'm using the tenkuril achu today because my tenkuril achu is fairly big enough, but you could also use the sieve plate that you get with your murukku press, and then you shape an orange sized ball of dough into a cylindrical log, and put it in your murukku press. Make sure that you don't fill your murukku press to the brim. Leave at least 3/4 of it empty. This way, the pressure is well balanced and you can easily squeeze the Karasev into the hot oil. Like always, as I started the dough mixing process, I also started heating up my oil. And to check if your oil has heated up to the correct temperature, drop a small piece of the murukku dough. If it sizzles and floats to the surface immediately, then your oil is good to go. When you're piping out your Karasev into the oil, make sure that you don't overcrowd the kadai, because overcrowding means soggy murukku, and also it takes longer to cook. As always, cook the Karasev on low flame until the sizzling sound stops. The Karasev will also float to the bottom once it is done. And that's it. Our peppery, crunchy, sesame seeds packed, crunchy Karasev is ready. Happy Diwali and happy munching. Tell me if you all like this recipe in the comments.